Just moments after Rahul Gandhi appreciated Varun Gandhi's praise, the BJP leader has clarified on Twitter, says his comments must not be seen as an endorsement for any political party or any leader. Let's try and go across to Aishwarya at this point. Aishwarya, the clarification has come, but has the damage already been done?
Well, that's right, because the BJP National General Secretary praising the Congress Vice President, this is something which is more than enough to embarrass the BJP top leadership, because the man whom Narendra Modi, BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate, has been taking upon on daily basis 4 to 5 times a day in every political rally. Varun Gandhi praised him in a bit, but now he has come out with a clarification only after an endorsement coming from the Congress Vice President that he is happy that even leaders from other political parties are endorsing his work in Amethi. Varun Gandhi doing not 1 or 2 but 4 tweets trying to make it clear that he was not endorsing any leader, not naming Rahul Gandhi, but making it clear that neither he was trying to endorse his work or his party's work in that very constituency. And this comes right within 48 hours of Smriti Irani, BJP candidate from Amethi, when BJP is making it clear that they are not going to give even an iota of a space to these top Congress leaders, because the feeling within the Bharatiya Janata Party at this point of time is very clear. They feel that in Narendra Modi's wave, in this 2014 general elections, they can uproot the Gandhis, the tallest leaders of the Congress, in their boroughs, in their bastion as well, because Amethi and Raebareli are said to be Gandhi bastions. And when they have put in their own Vice President Smriti Irani against Rahul Gandhi, the Congress Vice President, a firebrand leader, this comment coming from the BJP Vice President Varun Gandhi is more than enough to embarrass the Bharatiya Janata Party. And that is why we have seen Varun Gandhi coming out with 4 tweets trying to explain that he was not endorsing Rahul Gandhi's work in that very constituency. And then Ravi Shankar Prasad, senior BJP leader, also making it clear that Rahul Gandhi is equally responsible for the ills and corruption done in the last 10 years of this UPA government, and BJP will and continue to take on the kind of strategies and the kind of misgovernance has been done within the Congress route. And Rahul Gandhi, being the number 2 leader, being the Congress Vice President, is equally responsible. So yes, after Varun Gandhi's comment, though he is trying to give, or rather he is trying to weigh out from his comments by saying that he was not endorsing anything done by Rahul Gandhi, but it's more than enough.
Of course, the clarification has come, Aishwarya, like you're pointing out, but this of course comes after this issue has been taken up by the Congress as well. Rahul Gandhi earlier in the day, in fact, accepting graciously the praise that has been given to him.
Rahul, what do you appreciate his compliment, Rahul?
Well, जो अमेठी में हम कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। अमेठी में हमने एजुकेशन हब का फाउंडेशन तैयार किया है, हमने फूड पार्क और किसानों के लिए लंबी सोच करके काम किया है। तो वो जो वरुण कह रहे हैं वो सही कह रहे हैं।
What about your competition? What about Smriti Irani, Rahul? What about your competition?
So I'm very happy. I'm very happy that other people are appreciating the work we've done in Amethi. The work we've done in a strategic manner, and we've done it to connect the farmers of Amethi with the rest of the world, and we've done it to seriously develop Amethi in agriculture, in women's empowerment, and in education.
Rahul, do you see the candidature of Smriti Irani as a challenge?
I think that's enough. I have a relationship with the people of Amethi. It's for them to respond.
Well, of course, the BJP has been completely embarrassed by this controversy. Here's Ravi Shankar Prasad reacting to it.
Well, I don't wish to make any comment on Varun Gandhi. I have not even seen what he has stated.
But on the work of Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, sir?
I have not seen what he has stated. I'll check about it. But this I know for sure, that in the ills of country, which is the legacy of suffering India of Congress and UPA, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is equally responsible, accountable and culpable. He is number 2 after Srimati Sonia Gandhi. And it's so powerful that can tear open the ordinance passed by Manmohan Singh government, calling it nonsense. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, why did not you ensure your authority to contain price rise, to ensure employment, to ensure growth, and to control its stinking corruption? You could not even stop Ashok Chauhan from getting a ticket. Therefore, these questions will be asked from Shriman Rahul Gandhi as well, and the BJP will continue to ask.